Happy birthday.
Of course.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Wish! Gahapon?
Thank you guys. Ano na, kain na. Pangayo.
Oh, sige na, sige na.
Sige na.
Hey, Jandu.
Happy
I'm gonna start with
birthday
you.
to
I'm gonna start with you today. You're not running away from me, bro. You're not running away from me. What's your wish about your wife, man? Take your time. You can take the whole time you want, but you have to tell me.
Eat more, eat more,
Uh-huh.
a lot of food more.
Uh-huh.
That's lady. All the best.
All the best.
All the best.
Thanks. Appreciate, man. Kuya Jeff,
Later na.
it's your 10, bro.
Naki ano? Kay Ian?
Any wishes on Ian?
Nandad bro.
Any wishes on Ian?
Good health.
Tagalog, Bisaya, whatever you want, man. Just
Later
explore
na.
it.
After finish the too much drinking, I will talk this one.
No. Now. So you don't want to wish anything, huh? Here we go.
Sana, balhin na.
Any wishes?
Wish you all the best lang ga.
Thank you a lot. Appreciate.
Talaga yung ano eh.
Any wishes on any wishes?
Happy birthday.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Happy birthday lang
Ito
ga.
talaga yung ano eh.
All right.
Ito talaga yung... Ayun.
Any wishes?
Happy birthday, sis! Huntam, kambok, ag samot. Buyad. Ang nagadiay na aday. Ano sis? Happy birthday. More blessings to come.
Thank you so much.
And success. Babay na. Kuya,
Hi.
Hi!
Kamusta ka? Any wishes on
Happy
Ian?
birthday, Yen!
Any wishes? No wishes, huh?
Ang wish ko na Yen na sana manalo ng masos.
Salamat, ate. Yeah, cheese.
Sana daw ako na.
What you want to say? Anything to say? Ate Ian? Nothing to say?
Hindi pa kung balo ako ng interview. Ay, what you wish? Anak, yung trabaho. Basta ng birthday. Dali ka magwa ko pagkaon mo. Dali na ba? Baka napansin na.
Hi, ate. Any wishes on Ian? Any wishes?
More birthdays to come and baby health always. And yeah, ako for Ating Chan.
Salamat. Here you go, you're 10. Any wishes?
Birthday and more birthday to come and good health. And love for charity. Ako.
Appreciate. Salamat, ate. It's your 10 now.
Happy birthday, my daughter.
Any wishes?
Wish you all good for you.
Thank you. Here you go.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe down below. Be careful.
Yes po. Any wishes on Ian?
Yeah. Hope you have a good year ahead.
Thanks a lot. Salamat po. Any wishes?
Wish daw.
Any wish on Ian?
Oh my God, I'm so
Take your time. Take your time.
So big fribble. Ah!
Sabi ko na dito pagkaw sa uy.
You done already, yeah?
Mo din na busog na. Mama, pila may mong talent siya.
Here we go. Hi, Ate. Any wishes on Yen?
Of course, good health and very weak.
Take your time, take your time. Breathe in, breathe out. It's your time.
Very good health.
Yes. Amazing, amazing. Good health to Yen. That's it. Thanks a lot, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. It's your time. You're not escaping. Any wishes on Yen?
Happy birthday, Yen!
Any wishes?
Wish you good health and more money to come.
I appreciate it a lot. Also. Let's go, mommy. Let's take the video. Hi, go. Here you go. It's your time now. Any wishes on Yen?
Let me eat first.
Take your time. Breathe in, breathe out. It's your time.
Wish you a happy birthday and more success. Bye-bye.
I appreciate it, Lord. Salamat po. Jump. Someone is escaping. Let's go. It's our time now. Hi, happy birthday. We pray that all your wishes may come true from everyone. We wish you a very, very great and enjoyable day. May God be on your side every time.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You wanna say anything? Huh?
I don't like that.
Me too, I don't like it. Any wishes? Any wishes? Any wishes for him? Take your time, Tagalog, Bisaya. Any
Happy
wishes?
birthday and wish you good health and I will eat them.
Alright. Think you can tell her now. She's here.
He already messaged me.
Ah, he already messaged. Okay.
Kain na.
Siguro ito na nga.
Yan, may ikuha sa camera.
Intindihin mo na. Kailangan lang natin ng pahinga. Palayain ang isa't isa. Kung ngayon, ano talaga? Palayain ang isa't isa. Kung ngayon, tayo talaga. Koron. Alam mo ka na kay Nungdong? Alam mo ka kay Nungdong? Balita siya Philippine ba?
Patong gawa ka ng pumunta ba? Ano ang ilan mo ba?
Basta makawag kay Mami Shabi ako. Asa man lapangan doon kay nagutom ng bayo.
Dali ka na sa ito. Tiga ka. O, di ka ha?
Murang-mura, malapitan sa
Uy mo kawan, tanan.
murang-mura. Sa araw mapagsa. Wala tayo magkasunod. Sumisigit na ang ating mundo. May auto na tayo. Siguro ito na nga. Intindihin mo na. Kailangan natin ng pahinga. Oh, may pamaon.
Ganyan pa talaga?
Happy birthday, Tine!
Any wishes?
More birthdays to come. More beautiful, oy! Sexy. Stay pretty. Sige na, uy! Come on na.
No problem, Ate. We wish you a long, successful life, more happy, and more happiness.
More
Okay.
Please leave mo now, eat it.
Yeah, it's up to you now. What's your wishes on the Ate?
Live until you like.
We got you now. Any wishes?
I wish more birthday and more beautiful also.
Asan na sa tiyo?
Appreciate.
Hulo!
Nagbablog na siya. No?
Hindi, ganyan lang yung parang memory. Hindi pa. Kasi busy nga siya kuya, yung sa ano.
Yeah, bro.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Okay. Any wishes to Ate?
Ate?
Yeah, any wishes?
Ate. Not ate. Happy birthday and more success in life. Good health.
Appreciate. Salamat.
Yeah, okay.
Getting anyone. Hi, Tito Po.
Say your wishes to ate. Okay?
Hi, brother. How are you? Good.
Welcome to your vlog.
Any wishes to Ate?
More birthday to come.
Alright, it's up to you.
Happiest birthday.
Happiest birthday. Appreciate that. Also.
Hi, bro.
Any wishes to Ate? Here we go. That's it, peace. That's awesome. That's good. We're wishing you all peace.
What's up, Big? Happy birthday. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your day.
Awesome. Salamat. That's it. Alright. Any wishes? Any wishes to her?
Stay beautiful.
Thank you. Here we go. Any wishes to Ate? Here we go. Hello. How are you?
Best wishes. Wow, kasal.
Best wishes? Alright. Appreciate that. We didn't jump you.
Happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your 18th birthday.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Alright.
Right.
Anything you want to say to everyone here?
I have nothing to say.
You have nothing to say. Alright. Oh, Ate Jo. Ate Jo. Anything? Any wishes?
Of course. Happy birthday. Hey, Celebra, come here. Happy birthday, Nick. You know how much we love you. We care for you and all. Happy birthday. Hope that this year will brings you all the blessings in life, all the love, happiness, and of course, blessings in work. And more than anything else, I hope you're happy.
Awesome.
Have a great night, great day. Above all, happy birthday. Mwah. We love you.
Appreciate it, Lord. That's a nice speech.
Very long speech.